Hello student, let's start study class 8 subject English literature poem The Ant and the Cricket. A silly young cricket accustomed to sing through the warm sunny months of gay summer and spring began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me, at last by starvation and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly ant, to see if to keep him alive he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay anything by when the winter was warm? Quoth the cricket, not. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Thus ending, he hesitantly lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Fox call this a fable. I will warrant it true. Some cricket have 4 legs and some have two. Adapted from Aesop's fable. Summary of the poem. It is a fable in poetic form. A fable is a story, often with animals as characters, that conveys a moral. This is a poem about a silly young cricket and an ant. Cricket was only singing all day long and used to enjoy his good times during summer season. He didn't plant anything for the future. When winter arrives, cricket couldn't find a small amount of food to eat. So the cricket thinks of going to miser ant to borrow food and to get shelter. Then the cricket knocked on the ant's door asking for help. The ant gives a very important lesson of life during its conversation with the cricket. Ant says that ants neither borrow from somebody nor lend to somebody. Ants are hardworking creatures and save for the future. The ant asked the cricket what it was doing during happier times. On hearing the cricket indulged in dancing and singing and making merry, the ant asked the cricket to try dancing and singing once again during rough time. Moral of the story, we should enjoy happy moments but should not ignore our future. Careful planning is essential for everyone and it ensures a secure future. Thank you. Have a blessed day.